Hello and welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Yashashya and I'm a team lead here at OnceHub. And today I'm going to show you how to set up a chatbot visitor consent form in OnceHub. If you are using a chatbot on your website, you may be required to collect consent before gathering visitor information or continuing a conversation. This is often necessary for compliance with data protection and privacy regulations. The good news is that OneSub makes this incredibly easy, giving you a quick built in way to meet those compliance requirements without needing to build anything from scratch. Even better, OneSub does the most of the work for you. We provide pre-filled consent text that you can use as is or easily tweak to match your business language or legal needs. Now, let's quickly take a look at how to set this up. So simply log into your OneSub account. Once you log in, you'll be taken to this home page. From the home page, click on the gear icon and select consent and cookies. Here you will be taken to the visitor consent page. First, you'll see the data processing consent option, which gives you two options whether the consent is required from all visitors, or you can choose consent is required from visitors from selected location. If you opt in for the second option, you get further option to bifurcate based on region, country, and their state. Next is the data consent agreement section. You'll notice that OneSub automatically pre-fills the title and agreement message for you. For example, you may see a title like the GDPR consent and a clear explanation of how visitors' data will be used. You are free to keep this text exactly as it is or customize it better to suit your organization policy. Below that, you can customize the button text. By default, the accept button says agree and continue, and the decline button says not right now. But you can easily adjust the wordings if needed. You can also add a privacy policy URL so visitors can review your policy before giving consent. Finally, if a visitor declines consent, OneSub allows you to control what they see next. You can customize the decline message and provide a view policy again option so they can visit and accept the consent later if they change their mind. Once everything is set up, you can simply save your changes by hitting the save button. From that point on, visitors will be prompted to give consent before continuing the chatbot conversation, helping you to stay compliant while keeping the experience clear and user friendly. And that's it. With OneSup's chatbot visitor consent form, you can meet compliance requirements quickly, rely on pre filled content, and stay fully in control of how visitor data is handled. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.